Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how we can reset the WordPress logins, the WordPress backend logins via the WP admin. Okay, let me assume you really can't log in here. Okay, whatever you're putting in, it can't really log in. Let me just try to log in. And maybe you don't have an option of lost to use the lost your password option. It doesn't work for you. For some reason, you want to reset these logins via the backend. So what you do is you go to your MySQL. Now, let me assume like you can go to your MySQL, okay? Whatever the server that you're using, let me assume like you can reach your database. You click on your database and these tables will come, okay? So let me assume you know that part. If you can let me know in the comment section below, okay? Now, you have to look for a table called users. Now, our tables may have different prefix. For example, my prefix is WPPPU. Yours can be XYZ, whatever it can be. It doesn't matter. But what you have to find out is this last part, that your table that you're going to click on has users. All right? It has a word users. That is the main thing. You can ignore this prefix. They always have to be different from what you're seeing. That is okay. But at least the last part has to be there, users, okay? So you click on users, then the user will show, okay? There may be like several users here. It may be different from mine, but mine have one user, okay? So you click on edit. When you click on edit, you're going to look at this row, which says user pass, okay? User pass, this thing has to be like similar to mine, has to be looking like similar to yours, usually always like this, okay? So you have to look at user pass. Then where you see this is the password, but it's encrypted. In a database, they don't show the password. For example, this translates to maybe like mango6412, okay? But here in the database, it's encrypted. So what you do is you type the password that you want. For example, I want my password to be okay. I want my password to be like is a maybe something like that. Okay, and 2. So okay, this is a long one. Okay, let me just say I just want my password to be like USA 2023. All right. Try to put character to make it strong. So after putting a password, please don't save, because when you save this, it's not encrypted. And in a database, you don't put the password as exactly as it is. You have to encrypt it. How do you encrypt it? You have to go to here, function, then you look for MD5. Okay. So when you select MD5 function is going to encrypt this one to the format that it's supposed to be in a database. So this is the right password that you're going to use on your database, but you have to encrypt it. So you have to choose MD5, then you have to go here, then you have to click on go. So when you click on go, you realize the user password will be encrypted to this. Now, this encryption doesn't mean like your password has changed. Nope. Your password is still hashed USA 2023, whatever we put. But here in the database, it kind of is encrypted. This is a security feature in MySQL, okay? So this is how you can change the password on your WordPress via the phpMyAdmin. And the last part that you have to make sure you don't forget is choosing the MD5 after putting the password that you want, okay? So let me know if this was helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And see you guys. And don't forget to like the video, okay? Bye-bye.